Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to join Shein affiliate program in 2025. First of all, you need to log into your account. Then you need to click Me in the bottom right corner. And right here in the beginning of the page, you should find Share and Earn, which is the last one in the menu. You need to click on it and you will be redirected to the Shein affiliate program. Right here is your affiliate link. You need to copy this link and send to your friends or make a video and put the link in the description or create a story. So it's up to you how you will share this link, but this is the link what you need to share. And once your friend or any person will register using your link and make an order on Shein, you will receive a reward. So here are some rules. You can click on it and read the rules first before you will start using their affiliate program. So if everything is ready, you can click confirm, copy the link and share it to your friends. And in the end of the page, you will see the stats, the number of friends you referred, and also you can view the full details. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.